The primary structure of protein represents a linear sequence of amino acids joined by peptide bond. Peptide bond is rigid with the partial double bond character, planar, covalent. All of above. Enzymes are proteins. The first protein in sequence by Frederick Sanger is insulin. All dipeptide has amino acids and one peptide bond. The most common secondary structure is alpha helix. Myoglobin is a protein with a tertiary structure. Fibrous proteins such as silk fibroin consist of polypeptide chain arranged in beta-pleated sheet. Helix has 3,6 amino acid residue turn. 3,6 amino acid residue turn. Tertiary structure is maintained by peptide bond, hydrogen bond, disulfide bond, all of above. Hemoglobin has quaternary structure. Disulfide bond are formed between cysteine residue that are close together. The 3D structure of protein can be determined by nuclear magnetic resonance, X-ray, crystallography, both A and B. Amino acid used to build protein in cells can be distinguished through side chain of R groups. Z-vitriol ions are crystalline solid, soluble in water, amphoteric, all of them. Side chain can be all of these: acidic, basic, neutral. Non-polar side chains in amino acid include wall. When small amount of acids or bases are added to vitriol ion, it resists a change in pH. The isoelectric point of an amino acid is defined as pH, where the molecule carries no electric charge. An essential amino acid is one that the body cannot synthesize. The body can synthesize under alanine and L-alanine are technically known as enantiomers. Non-polar side chain in amino acid includes wall. Which of the following is non-standard amino acid? Hydroxyproline. Amino acid required in the human diet and not yet synthesized by the body is called essential. The sequence of letter W, Y, Q, N will represent tryptophan, tyrosine, glutamine, asparagine. Which of the following statements about solution of amino acid at physiological pH is true? All amino acids contain both positive and negative charges. All the following amino acids contain only methyl or methylene group as constituent of their side chain except glycine. Which of the following amino acids is ketogenic but not glycogenic? Leucine. Since the pH value of aspartic acid are 2039 and 10.0, it follows the isoelectric point PL is 30. In the disease called scurvy, a post-transitional modification of protein does not result in the formation of hydroxyproline. The thyroid hormone thyroxine T4 is derived from tyrosine. All of the following statements regarding the levels of protein structure are true except primary structure is the amino acid sequence. Read from the carboxyl terminal to the amino terminal and the lactation of the disulfide bridge, if any. All the following statements regarding the denaturation of protein are correct except no protein can be renatured once it is denatured by high concentration of urea. The most abundant protein in mammal is collagen. Marfan syndrome is a genetic disorder due to mutation of gene coding for fibrillin. Ehlers-Danlos syndrome due to deficiency of type 3 collagen. The angle between alpha carbon and nitrogen is phi angle. Which bond restrict polypeptide chain rotation? Peptide bond. Alpha helix per turn distance is called pitch. Two pleated sheet join through special amino acid sequence, it is called term. Non-covalent bond are hydrogen bond, ionic interaction, and van der Waals force. All protein contain primary, secondary, and tertiary structure. The ultimate and permanent acid-base regulatory organs are kidneys. Holoenzyme is functional unit, opoenzyme and coenzyme. All of these enzymes which are produced in inactive form in the living cell are called proenzymes. An example of ligases is pyruvatic carboxylase, the enzyme that catalyzes the transfer of functional group transferase. The Fisher's log and key model of enzyme action implies that the active site is complementary shape of that substance. The kinetic effect of purely competitive inhibitor of an enzyme is increased Km without affecting Vmax. Decrease Vmax without affecting Km 132. In enzyme kinetic Vmax reflects the amount of active enzymes. In reversible non-competitive enzyme activity inhibition, Vmax is lowered. In reversible non-competitive enzyme activity inhibition, inhibitor lower the maximum velocity attainable with the amount given of enzymes. In competitive enzyme activity inhibition, the structure of inhibitor generally resembles that of the substrate. In enzyme kinetic, Km implies the substrate concentration that gives 1/2 Vmax. In competitive enzyme activity inhibition, apparent Km is increased. In non-competitive enzyme activity inhibition, inhibitor does not affect Km. Coenzymes are heat stable dialysable non-protein organic molecules. pH of most of the enzyme is between 5 and 9. Chemically, immunologically, and above 1 to 141, isoenzymes are chemically, immunologically, and electrophoretically different form of enzymes. Isoenzyme of LDH occur as monomers. Factors affecting enzyme activity are pH. Serum alkaline phosphate level increase in hypothyroidism. The isoenzyme LDH5 is elevated in liver disease. On third day of onset of acute myocardial infarction, the enzyme elevated its serum AST. LDH1 and LDH2 are elevated in brain disease. The CK enzymes present in cardiac muscle is MM and MB. In acute pancreatitis, the enzyme raised in first 5 days is serum amylase. Lineweaver-Burke double reciprocal plot is related to temperature. The induced fit model of enzyme action are proposed by Marquardt. A good example of suicide inhibition is allopurinol. Allosteric inhibition is also known as none of these.